The Hyundai SA2 is not just another futuristic project, it's a bold step toward making flying vehicles a part of everyday life. Behind its simple name lies an innovative aircraft that is already in the prototype stage. The SA2 is a fully electric vehicle designed for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, meaning it doesn't need a runway. Hyundai claims it is impressively quiet in the air, about as silent as a household refrigerator, making it far less disruptive than traditional helicopters. What makes it especially practical is its flexible interior. The cabin can be quickly reconfigured to carry either 4 passengers or cargo, depending on the need. With a cruising speed of around 193 km per hour, it can cover distances of up to 64 km on a single flight, making it ideal for short city-to-city or urban commutes. Hyundai envisions the SA2 as a safe, eco-friendly alternative to ground traffic. Meet the EV Camper, a futuristic transformer on wheels built to make every trip feel like home. Whether you're heading to the countryside, commuting to work, or visiting friends, this camper is designed to bring comfort and flexibility to your journey. Think of it as a compact apartment that adapts to your needs. One of its most impressive features is its expandable design. With retractable sections, the interior can grow to a spacious 37 square meters, giving you plenty of room to relax. It's also self-sufficient, capable of producing both electricity and water. The Alvis Saracen Mk2 is a great example of Britain's unique approach to armored vehicles. The UK has often gone its own way in tank and APC design. For example, the Challenger is the only modern NATO tank fitted with a rifled gun. That same independent thinking can be seen in the Saracen FB603, a wheeled armored personnel carrier built between 1952 and 1970. Though just over 1,000 units were made, the Saracen quickly became well-known and was exported to several countries, including Indonesia. Despite its age, it still captures attention thanks to its unusual design. The vehicle could carry up to 12 people, 3 crew members and 9 passengers, while reaching a top speed of 72 km per hour with a driving range of about 390 km. For defense, it was armed with 2 machine guns, one 7.62mm and one 7.7mm, giving troops both mobility and protection. Buran APC. Music. Have a callback. First up on our list is the Baron series of vehicles. You might be surprised to learn that they're made by a company that used to work in aviation, but don't worry, these Barons only fly on the roads reaching speeds of up to 100 km/h. What's really cool about these cars is their modular design. For example, you can turn a Buran into an ambulance with room for 4 stretches or into a truck that can carry up to 10 tons, and even with all that versatility they still offer a decent level of protection. According to media reports, the Buran can keep its crew and passengers safe from a 6 kg explosive projectile coming from 80 m away. Music. A rolling palace that commands the road. Imagine a motorhome so grand, it feels like a 5-star hotel on wheels. The Morello Grand Empire 26T isn't just transportation, it's a statement. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros 1853L chassis and powered by a mighty 530 horsepower engine, it glides across highways with a presence that turns heads. This palace comes with its own garage, roomy enough to carry a Mini Cooper for your city adventures. It's the perfect mix of elegance, power, and practicality, built for those who want to explore without limits. With an expected price tag between €600,000 and €650,000, the Grand Empire 26T isn't just a motorhome, it's freedom, wrapped in luxury, ready to take you anywhere. In Germany, 2 well-known companies, Rebo, a maker of agricultural machinery, and Rheinmetall, one of Europe's biggest defense and military equipment manufacturers, came together with a bold idea. What if they built a tractor that could handle dangerous environments, such as fields filled with unexploded bombs or mines? That's how the Steel Buddy was created. The concept was simple but brilliant. The future of the GAC-era concept as a production vehicle is still uncertain, but even as a concept car it gives us a glimpse of what's coming next in the auto industry. One thing is clear, sustainability will play a big role. That's why some parts of the era are crafted from eco-friendly materials like algae and recycled plastics. Another major step forward is its power source. Instead of relying on traditional engines, the era is built around hydrogen fuel cell technology. The Inca's Sentry Tactical Intervention Vehicle, TI, is built with assault teams in mind, offering speed, safety, and versatility. Its most unique feature is a folding ramp, which allows soldiers to quickly access buildings, trains, or even ships during critical missions. Designed to carry up to 10 personnel, the vehicle provides both mobility and protection. Next on the list is the Jetson 1, a personal flying machine that feels straight out of the future. While many companies are trying to build flying cars that still look like cars, the Jetson 1 takes a completely different approach. It's more like a large drone that you can sit in, and that's exactly what makes it stand out. The response has been incredible. Demand is so high that every unit planned for this year and even next year has already been sold. And despite its hefty price tag of $128,000, buyers aren't hesitating. People clearly want a taste of the skies. One reason for its popularity is accessibility. In the United States, you don't even need a pilot's license to fly it. The OPTIMAAX system is a smart solution designed for fleets that run a lot of 6x2 trucks. Its main innovation is simple but powerful. One of the axles can be lifted off the ground whenever it isn't needed. Why does this matter? When the extra wheels are raised, the truck instantly becomes more fuel efficient, saving up to 5% on fuel costs. That may not sound huge, but across an entire fleet and thousands of miles, the savings really add up. But fuel savings are only half the story.
That's exactly what Polaris has built with their Expedition 2024. This beast is powered by the ProStar 1000 Gen 2 engine, packing 114 horsepower and a towering 36 centimeters ground clearance. Perfect for conquering rugged trails and unpredictable terrain. Depending on the model, you can bring along 2 to 5 adventurers, making it just as ready for solo escapes as for group expeditions. With its 45-liter fuel tank, you can push up to 320 kilometers without stopping. Navigation is effortless thanks to the Ride Command System with GPS and a crisp 7-inch display that keeps all your trip data at your fingertips. And if you're into customization, this buggy delivers, think snowplows, cargo racks, and more, ready to adapt to your adventures. The 5-seater model comes in at $45,000, and it's more than just a ride, it's your all-terrain ticket to go anywhere, anytime.
The Arcus Scarabee first caught attention at the Paris Air Show, and while that may seem unusual for an armored vehicle, it makes sense once you learn its unique abilities. This compact yet powerful machine can be transported not just by aircraft, but also by helicopters, and it's even designed to be air-dropped directly onto the battlefield using a special platform. Built for speed and agility, the Scarabee can reach up to 130 km per hour and even move sideways. The Gallagher Z20 turns an ordinary chain-link fence into a high-tech security barrier. What used to be easy for anyone, even a school kid, to climb now becomes almost impossible. How? The Z20 uses smart sensors that detect both movement and vibrations on the fence, instantly alerting security if someone tries to tamper with it. One of the best things about the Z20 is that its sensitivity is fully adjustable, so you can customize it to match your security needs. Installation is also a breeze. The future of clean energy depends on building bigger and more powerful wind turbines, but moving these massive structures is a huge challenge. Modern turbines now stand over 90 meters tall, with blades that can weigh more than 30 tons each. To solve this, Radia is developing the Windrunner, the world's largest aircraft designed specifically to transport wind turbine parts. The XB-1 isn't just an experimental jet, it's a proof of concept for something much bigger, the Overture. Designed to carry up to 80 passengers, the Overture aims to reach speeds of Mach 1.7, which is more than 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's over twice the speed of today's fastest commercial aircraft, cutting long international flights nearly in half. With a range of 7,870 kilometers, it could connect major cities faster than ever before.